ꯊꯥ 18 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯛꯑꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯣꯌꯤꯡ ꯇꯔꯃꯣꯏꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯛꯂꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯐꯦꯜꯌꯨꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯁꯃꯦꯟट ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯦ ꯃꯦꯘꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯟꯗꯥ ꯇꯧꯏ꯫ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯚꯦꯟꯗꯦꯇꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯚꯦꯟꯗꯦꯇꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ PCC ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯥ ꯃꯦꯘꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯤꯡ MLA ꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯈꯤꯕꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ BJPꯒꯤ ꯗꯕꯜ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤ, ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ, ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯡꯏ꯫ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯦ ꯃꯦꯘꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯕꯜ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ, ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯦꯜꯌꯨꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ, ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ 2023ꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯒꯤ 3ꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯣꯌꯤꯡ ꯇꯔꯃꯣꯏꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯗꯕꯜ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ, ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ PCC ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ, ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ, ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯈꯪ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯦ ꯃꯦꯘꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯥꯛꯁ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯁꯃꯦꯟट ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦꯠ ꯍꯦꯗꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔꯁ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯈꯤ꯫ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯎꯕꯒ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 3, 2024 ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯥꯛꯁ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯁꯃꯦꯟट ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦꯠ ꯍꯦꯗꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔꯁ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯑꯦꯄꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ, ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯎꯕꯒ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯃꯛ ꯇꯥꯡ 3 ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔꯗꯨꯗ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯤꯗꯕ, ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯈꯤꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ EDꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯟꯅ ꯀꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 3ꯇꯨꯗ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯗꯦ꯫ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯚꯦꯟꯗꯦꯇꯥ, ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ, ꯚꯦꯟꯖꯤꯌꯟꯁ, ꯍꯔꯥꯁꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯔꯤꯚꯦꯟꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ꯫ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯁꯣꯏꯕ, ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯔꯥꯖ꯭ꯌ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯕ, ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯙꯥꯟ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯅꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯊꯥ 18 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯛꯑꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯣꯌꯤꯡ ꯇꯔꯃꯣꯏꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯛꯂꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ, ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯐꯦꯜꯌꯨꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ EDꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯂꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯤꯍꯟ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯀꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯤꯍꯟ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯀꯤꯍꯟ ꯈꯪꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯔꯥꯍꯨꯜ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤꯖꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯅ ꯑꯀꯤ ꯇꯨꯖꯨꯡ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯥ ꯃꯦꯘꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯃꯟꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯉꯩꯗꯁꯨ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ प्रजाꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ प्रजाꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯗꯕꯜ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯐꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯟꯗꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯚꯦꯟꯗꯦꯇꯥ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯖꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯕꯗ Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee strongly condemns ED summons to the PCC President Shri K. Meghachandra and calls the action as politics of vendetta. Manipur PCC President Shri Kaisa Meghachandra Singh, MLA, has been speaking out fearlessly and aggressively against the double-engine BJP governments at the center and in the state. And he has been the voice of the people of Manipur by exposing the failure of the double-engine governments in the manner in which the ongoing turmoil has destroyed Manipur since May 2023. Yesterday, Shri K. Meghachandra had received and seen a summons from Special Task Force Enforcement Directorate Headquarters, New Delhi, at his home. As he received the ED summon yesterday in Manipur for his appearance yesterday on 7th October 2024 in New Delhi, it was not possible for him to be present in New Delhi yesterday itself. This action is nothing but the politics of vendetta, vengeance, harassment, and revenge. This action is to cover up the union government's colossal failures in the state, which has been reflected in Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi's refusal to visit the state since it blew up 17 months back. Those who are afraid intimidate. Congress will never be silenced. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee strongly condemns ED summons to the PCC President Shri K. Meghachandra and calls the action as politics of vendetta. Thank you. Yes, we are discussing with our leaders, we are discussing with our legal experts. Then when time comes, it will come to know. Yes. He is very much. That we are exploring different options legally also.